All right, here we have 4 1950 1-cent coins. Look at them all. The cute 1950. They're just simply 1 cent. Oh, and what's the letter? They got a letter up there. Is that a letter or a number? Interesting. Okay, and here's another one. Almost looks like there's something up there. Pull one. They're all 1950s. Almost look like a J. At least these all have J's on them. Okay. Nope. This one looks like it has an O or a G. I'm not really sure. Alright, but here you are with all 4 of the 1 cents. Tiny little things. Hope you've enjoyed my bringing them to you. Be sure to sub me, join me as a friend. We'll bring you some more. Bye-bye.